If you look at a traditional IT service example, where somebody needs more resources and they have to go through a lot of rigmarole to get those resources. For instance, we want to hire a service, so we have to negotiate a contract, and then we have to finalize the contracts, and then that information can be passed on to the project manager, who can contact IT and then finally deploy those computing services or resources that you originally asked for. Right? That can take a lot of time. And above and beyond that, all that negotiation that has to go on can fall prey to the telephone game. And that might introduce human error, and you might not end up getting the original services that you asked for. Now, this isn't an exact example of asking for services from an IT department, but probably somewhere in this whole chain of communication, there's a little bit of truth in regards to your corporation. The fact is that above and beyond all the red tape you might have to go through to get extra resources, infrastructure has also become much more complex. And in a lot of cases, we can't get the resources to our end users in time. And that's what's really driven this cloud momentum that we're seeing. People don't understand how they can go home and order up a website and get it in 5 minutes, but then when I go to work and I ask for the same type of resources, it takes 2 months. And that's really what on-demand self-service is all about. The end user saying, I need resources, being able to log into a portal, swipe their credit card, talk to a cloud provider, and get the automatic, on-time deployment of those resources. So this is an important concept to understand and really understand why people are using cloud instead of using their own internal resources in some cases in your IT department. And this is also what's driving internal IT departments to become more private cloud-like as well. Please join me for the next lesson, 11.4, Examining Broad Network Access.